Hi, Dr. Ray. Before the UCAT, all I had on my mind was really just, I really want to do medicine, but this obstacle of the UCAT is just staying there in front of me. And I just did not know what I needed to do. It felt like a challenge. It felt like an impossible thing, but I got some recommendations to do MedEntry. And so I started doing that. I did the platinum package, and it completely changed my perspective. It completely changed my attitude. The attack and the approach was so much more reasonable, and all of a sudden everything started to feel a lot more like it could potentially happen. I could potentially do medicine. The UCAT was obviously a very daunting experience, but the MedEntry platform is so helpful. They have absolutely thought of everything that you could even think of. You are in great hands with Dr. Ray, especially when you do the workshops, which helped me a lot. And so once that obstacle was passed, I got the result, and I knew that I had got a decent score, but not like a 90th percentile. So I was hoping. I was kind of in a bit of a stage where I wasn't sure if I actually was going to get in. And so obviously the next stage was interviews. But between my UCAT and the offers, I kind of lost hope, to be honest. I just did not think that I was going to make it. And my ATAR was sitting at around a 99, but I needed a 99 or above to competitively get into the University of Western Australia. And so after thinking more about it, I still knew that I wanted to do medicine despite my imposter syndrome. And so luckily for me, I did get 2 out of 2 of the offers. So I applied for Curtin and University of Western Australia, and I got both for interviews. But I actually didn't really realize how important interview preparation was until a few weeks before, because the interview offers are released, and then a few weeks later you actually do your interview. So a lot less preparation time, but don't let that run you down, because as long as you using MedEntry and I used the UWA strategy day and the mock interviews, which were online, and using those just allowed me to feel so much more confident about myself, because even though I was not really believing in myself, I did get the interview offers, so I was like, maybe I can do this. And with MedEntry, it just solidified it, and it made me so much more confident with my answers, and I knew exactly what I wanted to do with whatever was going to be asked of me. And so come interviews, I had a decent feeling about it, but I felt definitely a lot more relaxed and controlled than perhaps some of my peers who were doing the interviews as well. And luckily for me, I received my first preference offer yesterday to study medicine at UWA, University of Western Australia. And so I just want to say a massive thanks to Dr. Ray for everything he's done. You guys are in absolutely amazing hands, and good luck to you all. I hope to see you soon.